Hello everyone, it's Donna, and I'm just gonna do a little embroidery kind of design kind of off the cuff. One of my friends had posted a picture on Facebook of a absolutely stunning uh, table runner that she had made, and I was inspired by it and thought, hey, I can play around with that. So we're going to take this image here and we're going to actually create like a leaf type applique with a little bit different of stitching and stuff. So let's get started. First we're going to kind of go into our run stitch mode, and we're just going to kind of follow this around. Get this point on here. You can be as accurate as you want or not. This is, your design. Make it fun. Make it you. So I'm just kind of, I would say quickly going around here, but I'm not. I've got it zoomed in pretty good, so it's not so quick. We're not going to go, well, what we're doing now is this is actually going to be kind of like the little placement line, and then we'll copy and paste it and stuff and play with it to make our applique. So here we go. That's done. So next I'm going to actually copy and paste it, and I will make this a different color. And let's just make it green for right now. It doesn't really matter because you'll stitch it in any color that you really want to. And we've got a couple of options here. So what I want to do is I'm going to go into the parameters here, and I am going to see what this little stitch looks like. Okay, so now that we have this done, actually I think I'm going to delete my image here now, and I'm going to go ahead and set my hoop size properly so that I'll have more room to work. And I'm going to take both of these and bring it to the center. So this is what it is, and this would be normally like a tack down or something like that, but we're going to do something a little bit different, and that's why I'm going to kind of play around. We may choose a different stitch, I don't know how we're going to go, but we're just playing around and having fun, and that's one of the great parts of digitizing. So let's start off here, and we're actually, let's do something else. So we're going to take this one and we're going to transform it, and this says 149. Let's make this 159 and apply to a duplicate. Nope, we're going to make it a little bit bigger. So this one, we're going to do 170. Let's try that and do it, apply. Okay, so we can do this. Let's even take it a little bit further. Okay, so we're going to play with it like this. I mean, it's, just play with it. It's your design. Do with it what you want to do. Okay, so we're actually going to probably get rid of this blue line, but we're using it as a start. So what we want to do is start down here and go in and back, up, in, back, up, in, whoops. And like I said, we're playing, so you don't have to keep it perfect, but just, let's have a little bit of fun. And we're just going to work our way around here. And we're going to see how this is going to look. I think it might look cute. And we can play with either, stitches here. I had to take a quick break, but I'm back now. So let's just continue on. And just, put them wherever you want. Just play around, have fun, make it your own. And we're just gonna try to hurry up here. I mean, like I said, I'm just kind of playing around. But I like to zoom in so I can see what I'm doing. And we're just working our way. We are about to the top, which will probably end up being the top. And we're working our way. Okay, now that we've got that done, whoops, I should be able to go a little bit faster. It's not going to be near perfect, but like I said, we're just playing. Whoops. I say that and then I end up having to go slower. I mean, if you really wanted to get a grid on here or something to make sure that everything was perfectly spaced out, you could do that as well. But this is just, thinking off the cuff and coming up with something a little unique that is truly you. One thing that I wish that Embird would do, that Hatch does, is I wish that they would allow you to select some fabric that would actually show up here in your applique so that you could get a better feel of what things would look like with the fabric in there. And that is one feature I really, really love with Hatch. I do have some videos on Hatch for the applique and bringing in the fabric, and actually how you can import some of the whoops, fabric lines from some of your favorite manufacturers like Moda and things like that. Close enough. So we're just going to try to finish this up here really quick. Like I said, this isn't perfect, it's just plain. And if you wanted to, you could make this like a red work stitch. And I would go ahead and we'll remove this one right here, the one that we enlarged to trace by. So we will delete this one, make this the same color. And now you can see, let me get my preferences here, make sure my hoop size is right. Okay, so that's pretty much taken up the entire 5x7 hoop. So we could actually resize this a little bit and move it up. And then you could do a little like stem in here. And I'm going to make this stem kind of like a brown color or something like that. Let's see. So you could, like your applique would actually end up being here. But then you would have like a little decorative stitch here. If you didn't like that decorative stitch, you could play around. I mean, you could use, let's do feathers. There's a feather. That would look really, really cool, I think. And then here you could do red work, or you could use actually, say if you wanted to do, let's do the feathers here too. You know, I'm not sure how much I like that one. I kind of like the red work on there. So I will undo this one. But for in here, that looks kind of alright. And then if you wanted to, you could do, you know, take this area, convert it to a fill. We'll do our generate stitches. So I'm going to actually delete this one. And I'm going to change the parameter, and let's put a motif in here, and let's do this and see how it looks. I think you could probably, if you wanted to, change the density down. Let's do 80 here. There it is at 80, and you could actually do move this actually to the back, but we're gonna reorder the first placement line to the back, and then you can get a little quilting type effect in here. Then your your border and the outer border. You can make this lacy. You can do whatever you kind of want to do, but it's just a fun little project, and who knows, I may play around with this and actually do something. But I was really inspired by her table runner, and I'm not sure where she got the designs from, but I'm like, hey, I'm a digitizer, I might be able to do something like that. And it doesn't have to be as simple of a leaf as this. It can be a complex leaf like an oak leaf or a maple leaf or something like that. Anyway, that's it for right now, and I hope you have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.